right, so hopefully all of you have already watched the welcome video on our home page. I want to briefly go over some navigation of the course so you feel prepared to get started. This first week, we actually have 3 brand new sections of calculus we're going to work on. So it's important that you get started right away and jump straight into the course. Now, on the left-hand side, you will see our navigation panel. When you first start, it's a good idea to click the start here and to run through every single element in this module. It has some important information such as the academic integrity policy of this course. There is a link to the syllabus and a bunch of other important information, especially if you're new to CNM. Next, you want to go ahead and make sure that you actually read the syllabus. So there'll be a link here that you can open up our syllabus. Make sure that you read this through, I would say at least twice, so that you understand how your grade is being calculated and the expectations of this course. Instructor information comes next. I'll let you read that on your own. And then very important is our course calendar. This course calendar is going to give you both when due dates are for this class, but also recommendations for when you should be starting what sections so that you don't fall behind. You'll also see a key for abbreviations that you will see on our course calendar. Now, once you've gone over the initial stuff, usually each day you come in to learn, you're going to start by clicking on the learning modules. Now, each learning module is set up with different information and links to videos, instructions, readings, and the homework and other activities that you must do that week. However, you will notice that there are 15 learning modules. Because our summer course is only 12 weeks long, you will often be doing 1.5 module each week. So for example, if you look at our course calendar, you will see that in the first week we are doing module 1 along with a portion of module 2. So when you click on the module, it's going to have all of the information that you need. For example, our first module starts with class introductions. Then you'll see an overview of what we're going to learn and the tasks, which are the things that you actually must accomplish this week for this first learning module. Next comes reading and resources, a link to our assignments for the week that are done in My Math Lab, which is where our ebook, homework, and quizzes and exams will reside. And then finally, the actual link to our My Math Lab homepage. So first of all, I want to go into this readings and resources. One of the things that you will see in each learning module are several different links to resources that will help you learn the material. You will notice that some of these are required, whereas others are optional. For example, watching the section 3.1 videos from the ebook, you will notice this is required and it is for credit on your grade. However, there are other resources such as worksheets, Khan Academy links, Math is Fun links, and other links that will help you learn the material. So those links are optional. However, I have had students in the past really rave about these worksheet links. They have video solutions, and they are created by another CNM instructor here who teaches at Westside Campus. So I encourage you to do extra practice by utilizing these worksheets that are available for every single section. The other thing that you will find in each reading and resource link in each module is a link to our ACE tutoring services here at CNM. ACE tutoring is fantastic, and while we are all online, they also do virtual tutoring. So I recommend that you check this out, especially if you are working on things and you don't have time to contact myself, your instructor. Maybe office hours have ended. You want to talk to someone in real time. ACE Tutoring is a fantastic resource. All right, so the next thing I want to show you is the My Lab course home. If we click on this, you're going to be sent to a link that says click to launch. This is in each module, and you will notice it actually navigates us away from Learn. It's going to take us into Pearson. Now, right now I'm in the student preview mode, so the first time you click on this link, you're going to want to read through the license agreement, and then at the very end, wherever that is, you're going to hit I accept. Right now, I'm not going to do that because it would actually charge CNM as if I'm a student, and I am not. This is already included in your fees that you paid for this semester, so you should be able to get straight to My Lab. And then the last thing I want to talk to you about is this discussion board. The discussion boards are typically once every week. Some weeks when we have exams, we will not do discussion boards. And you can read information as to what you're expected to post and how you're expected to respond here. You should be doing these discussion boards after you've attempted all of the assignments on My Math Lab. And when you click to launch, it's going to send you straight to our forum. In order to participate, you would then hit Create Thread. So I'm going to let you navigate through the rest of the information on your own. Announcements, of course, are very important, and then you can hit My Grades whenever you want to see your grade. But for now, I'm going to exit the student preview so that I can actually show you what My Math Lab looks like. So now I'm back in my instructor homepage. Whoops. So if I go into a learning module, every learning module has a link to My Math Lab. This looks a little bit different because I'm in the editing instructor portion, but every one of you will have a link to My Math Lab course homepage. Now, when you click on that, again, you're going to see that license agreement the first time you see it. After you've accepted the license agreement, it's going to take you to our course home page. So your home page is going to look like this, if it will let me go. Oh, it's not. Oh, okay, there it goes. All right, so you're going to see what is active, any announcements, any homework that's coming up, any assignments that are past due, current assignments will be listed, and completed assignments. So it looks a little different here because I'm doing this on Sunday and class doesn't start until Monday. But it should be self-explanatory as you work through the My Math Lab homework and ebook links. As always, let me know if you run into any questions. You can contact me via email. The information can be found under instructor information. Or you can come to office hours and talk to me in real time. So that was a quick navigation of our course, and just let me know if you have any questions.